Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a new copper bottle. First, it's essential to prepare your bottle for its initial use. Begin by washing it thoroughly with warm water and a mild, non-abrasive soap. Make sure to clean both the inside and outside surfaces. After washing, rinse the bottle completely with clean water to ensure no soap residue remains. This step is crucial for safe and effective use. Once clean, your copper bottle is ready for daily use. Always fill it with plain drinking water. It's very important to avoid putting acidic liquids, such as citrus juices, vinegar, or carbonated beverages, into your copper bottle, as these can react with the copper. For optimal benefits, allow the water to sit in the bottle for at least 4 to 8 hours before drinking. Maintaining your copper bottle's cleanliness is simple. For daily cleaning, just rinse it with plain water. To deep clean and remove any tarnish or buildup, create a natural cleaning solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of salt, then gently rub the inside and outside surfaces. Rinse the bottle thoroughly with water afterward to ensure all cleaning solution is removed. There are a few important things to remember for long-term care. Never place your copper bottle in a dishwasher, as the harsh detergents and high heat can damage the copper. Always store your bottle completely dry when it's not in use to prevent tarnishing and maintain its beautiful shine. Remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your healthy hydration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.